Introducing Stacker, a new kind of 3D printer. Stacker can print multiple copies of an object at the same time in different colors with different kinds of filament. This means Stacker is at least 4 times faster than most other 3D printers. Who said 3D printing had to be slow? Stacker is the first truly commercial-grade 3D printer that's actually affordable. Stacker is durable enough for all-day work on your factory floor and safe enough for busy offices and schools. Stacker's Z-axis can expand to print 24-inch tall objects or just over 600 millimeters. Stacker is available in both desktop and mobile configurations. Stacker is designed to print with many filaments, including high-tech alloys which contain carbon fiber, Kevlar, PTFE, wood, bronze, copper, brass, and bamboo. Stacker is definitely a new kind of 3D printer. If you want to buy a 3D printer today, you have 2 choices: consumer-grade printers or really expensive commercial 3D printers. This leaves the largest segment of creators waiting on the sidelines or buying consumer-grade printers to fill the gap. These creators include design and engineering professionals, schools, colleges, research organizations, and almost every small and medium-sized company in the world. What the market wants is a commercial-grade 3D printer that's fast, reliable, and affordable. What we need is a new kind of 3D printer. Now, more creators can have fast, reliable, and large format printing at a fraction of the cost of other commercial printers. It's time to print your jigs, your architecture, your fossils, your artwork, your gears, your prototypes, your production parts, your medical devices, your big parts, your tall parts, your every part. Let's look closer at Stacker's key innovations, starting with multi-part printing. Why print 1 part at a time when you can get 2, 3, or 4 parts in the same amount of time? Welcome to the new age of digital manufacturing. Stacker's exclusive multi-part printing technology and high-volume extruders will print your objects many times faster than most other printers. Each printing head is adjustable to maximize the size of your prints according to how many extruders you are running. Stacker's modular design makes it easy to customize and add options. For example, you can increase the height of your Stacker by attaching our full-size frame option. Our fully locking casters turn Stacker into the ultimate mobile printer. If you want to double your printing height, then install our Z-axis height extender option. Use our half-size frame option to protect your printing heads. And finally, add extra hot ends and filament drives as you need them. Stacker's innovative new expandable Z-axis option will increase your print height from 220 millimeters to an incredible 600 millimeters. Imagine the possibilities of printing objects 24 inches tall. Our Z-axis uses an innovative new belt drive for fast, accurate, and maintenance-free operation. Most commercial printers force you into purchasing their own high-priced printing materials, not Stacker. Our universal filament rail accepts almost any filament on the market today, and this ensures your printing costs are priced fairly. Stacker will be offering a complete line of industrial-strength filaments from ColorFab. Their company philosophy is the same as ours: produce class-leading products that are innovative, functional, and safe for the end user. We partnered with ColorFab because they not only make excellent filaments in vibrant colors, but they are also pushing the boundaries of 3D printing with their new composite filaments, like XTCF20 filled with carbon fiber, and their PLAs with bronze, copper, and bamboo fillers. Here we are printing with our new carbon fiber filament, which uses Amphora 3D polymer from Eastman. We have been testing this revolutionary new composite filament on Stacker for weeks, and it's the best filament we've ever used. These carbon fiber prints have an extremely high flex modulus, which means they are really stiff. Unlike some stiff filaments, these prints are also tough and not brittle. It's everything you want in a filament: parts that are strong, stiff, tough, and accurate. Perfect for quadcopters, RC cars, and advanced prototyping in aerospace, automotive, and consumer products industries. Here is just a small sample of parts we printed on Stacker with our new carbon fiber composite filament, XTCF20. Notice the beautiful matte black surface finish and accurate features. There is no other 3D printing technology that can match the diversity of printing materials and colors you can use on your new Stacker. We gave Stacker a kinetic look that fits into any office, lab, or shop environment. Stacker doesn't look like an appliance because it's not. It's a productivity machine. There are no false bottoms and hidden compartments to hide the wires. Everything is out in the open and designed for easy access. This also makes modifying your stacker a straightforward and logical process, perfect for using Stacker as a development platform for alternative printing technologies. Finally, let's look at Stacker's all-new hybrid hot end. The hybrid gets its name because it uses interchangeable nozzle types. Each nozzle is engineered for a different filament melt temperature. Because of this, the hybrid hot end performs reliably with any filament. It also comes in many nozzle sizes, so you can choose the nozzle size that best fits your desired print quality and speed. Hybrid nozzles can be changed in less than 30 seconds. As you can see, just remove the heater block, unscrew the old nozzle, and install the new one. Finally, put the heater block back on, snap the wires together, and you're ready to print again. It's that fast and easy. We're on Kickstarter because we think more creators should have access to high-performance 3D printers, not just big companies with deep pockets. It is also important to show the world that 3D printing can be a lot faster. We also believe that 3D printers should use consumables that are priced fairly and safe to use in any environment. With your help, Kickstarter, let's bring affordable, commercial-grade 3D printing to more creators, just like you. Thank you, Kickstarter, for helping us launch our new printer. Together, let's bring high-performance 3D printing to the largest segment of creators on Earth. Stacker now makes it faster, bigger, and more affordable than ever.
This is Dave. There's nothing in the world he loves more than 3D printing.
I've often been asked, would I rather have the perfect girlfriend or the perfect 3D printer? Definitely the 3D printer.
Today, he's trying out the Trinus 3D printer.
I'm sorry, where was I?
Trinus, a new 3D printer.
Bring it.
These days, he's not just looking for another 3D printer. He wants something that produces quality prints, can work with a wide variety of materials, can print with multiple file formats, is reliable, and doesn't cost an arm and a leg. He's had some trying experiences, putting together printers with hundreds of parts and having to recalibrate them over and over again.
Finally done. Let's print.
Or coping with prices that put him over the edge. Trinus has a modular structure with 4 identical units, which reduces its production cost. Yeah, that's it. Only 11 parts. Sorry.
Okay, let's do this.
With an easy-to-follow manual, you can assemble Trinus in 30 minutes. And because its mechanics are scaled down from industrial-grade machines, Trinus brings professional-level performance and precision right to your desk. Trinus isn't just a fixed package either. You can exchange its 3D printing head for a laser engraving one. You can also equip your Trinus with a heated bed and safety enclosure, opening your printer up to PC and ABS. Now Dave, how much do you think this costs?
Well, considering the ease of assembly and attention to details, although I'd still need to see the printed models, I'd say around $1,500.
Nope. Look right.
What's the catch?
There's no catch. $299 on Kickstarter. Trinus uses its intuitive Pango software, which works twice as fast as other slicers. But you're not locked to that. Other software and G-code are compatible too. Remember the time you used the high-speed setting on that other low-cost printer and ended up with a dull, messy print? Even using a higher print speed, Trinus gives you a clean, high-quality print without shaking everything off your desk. Plus, the laser head will come in handy when your best friend beats you at a game you thought you were good at. Trinus lets you print with many different filaments, including flex, wood, and aluminum, all without a jammed extruder or clogged nozzle. To help achieve that, Trinus partnered with Polymaker. With their Polymax PLA or PC Plus, you can be sure that your printed parts will be stronger and better than ever before.
God, to you. I love you too. I can explain.
Hi, we're the team behind Tico. As inventors, we constantly use 3D printers to create and test our ideas. But every 3D printer we used fell short of our expectations. They were heavy, overcomplicated, and unreliable. We often spent more time calibrating our printers than printing our inventions. So we came up with a simple solution: Unibody. This is Tico, the Unibody 3D printer. Most 3D printer frames are built using separate rails. Unibody means the rails are built into the chassis, creating one solid piece. One solid piece, Unibody. And with this simple shift in design, all the problems that came from separate rail systems disappeared. More reliable and accurate, Tico sets a new standard for 3D printers. And it doesn't stop at Unibody. Tico has an internal filament tray, enclosed build chamber, auto safety shutoff, a large print volume, a flexible base, wireless connectivity, and cloud-based software so you can print from almost anywhere on any internet-friendly device. With Tico, we've not only set a new standard for design, but for price too. Tico is only $179. Yup, $179. That's the beauty of Unibody design. It's better and it costs less to manufacture. We could set the price higher, but we want everyone to have a Tico. This is where we need your help. We use 3D printing to create Tico. Imagine all the ideas that could become realities. Imagine what you could build. Back us today, and let's find out.
First time people see a 3D printer in motion, it's captivating. People are mesmerized by it, and everybody wants to get involved. 3D printer is kind of like magic. One minute you have this box on your desk, and the next minute you see an object appearing out of thin air. At M3D, we knew at some point in the future these tools would be a part of everyone's lives. So we asked, why not now? But there hasn't been a truly affordable consumer printer that's easy to use. You just plug it in, hit print until now. And that's why we made the Micro 3D printer.
We started with a seamless design, and we looked at all the existing 3D printers, and we took everything that we liked and redesigned everything else. We knew that in order for them to really live up to their potential, that they had to be affordable and completely effortless to use. And several months later, we'd done it.
In addition to reducing the size and the weight of the box, we also reduced the power consumption by about a factor of 10 compared to professional 3D printers.
By making it more power efficient, you basically reduce your costs of every component. It becomes lighter, the electronics become more affordable, everything drops. We use auto leveling and auto calibration so that you're never messing with the printer. We decided we had to provide software that just makes it really easy. So we have a library of existing parts and select what you want, just hit print.
People can use other sources for their filaments, or they can use ours, and it goes both ways. Other people with different printers can buy our filaments as well. The Micro 3D printer is for everyone. We designed it to be perfect for beginner users, but also for expert users. Of course, they're already very useful today. You can use it for things like replacing a shower hook, or building real prototypes, or even functional parts, replacements for things around your house, for example. And that's just scratching the surface of what 3D printers are capable of.
We want, a printer in every single house, but in order to get there, we're going to need the Kickstarter funds to make the molds. A lot of people are going to get a printer as their reward, but what they're really doing is they're helping us get started, and they're creating a new brand with us.
We need a 3D printer like the Micro, something that's ultra affordable, to get lots of printers out there so people can nurture the technology and figure out where it's going to go.
We knew it was coming. Somebody was going to do it. The question was who and how.
A project like this started out with 1 or 2 people, and I'm just floored by the amount of support we've gotten, so we have a lot of people to thank.
We really strive to be innovative in everything that we do, and I think people already see that. We're really looking to raise hell in the industry.